Are you working with people all over the world and you're constantly thinking, okay, right now it's 12 o'clock my time. So therefore, on their time zone, it's 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Let me kind of count and figure it out. And you're actually never really sure. Let me show you a super easy trick within Monday.com. So that way you can always know what time it is in someone else's time zone.
Hi, my name is Tara, and I'm a certified Monday.com partner and the founder of Simpleday. My goal is to help you build powerful yet simple workflows with Monday.com. If you need help with a custom implementation, my contact details are in the description below. Let's jump into today's tutorial and make Monday the best part of your week.
In this tutorial, I'm going to work on a deals board. And what I want to understand is where each person is located so that way I know what time it is. Now, this can be applied to, let's just say, freelancers you're working with or employees or companies that you're working with. I'm just using this as an example, but feel free to apply it to whenever relevant. So all that I need to do is I need to add a column. So I'm going to click add column to the right and go to more columns. I'm going to choose world clock. And I'm going to add it to my board. And now you can see that a new column has appeared and I need to choose what location the person is in. So let's just say Dave is in Pacific time and then someone else, Joe, is in Mountain time. And you can see that it says the time and the location. So now let's do Eastern. And now I'm going to go to someone that is, let's say, in Madrid. So you can see here that I can very easily see the different times of the items on my board based on simply adding a world clock column. Now you can click on settings and you can customize this. So you can change the format to be 12 hours or 24. You can have the UTC offset and you can have set the beginning of the workdays or the end of the workday's hours. So you do have these options to play with. But again, this is just a really clear way to know exactly what time it is if you need to call someone or contact someone and they're in a different time zone as you.
Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you soon.